Hello, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and on this video I'm talking about the drug Zofran and how, if you took it as a pregnant woman in the first trimester of your pregnancy, it could have caused your baby to be born with a birth defect such as a heart defect, hole in the heart murmur, cleft palate, cleft lip. Some babies have been born missing a kidney, with only one kidney, and other possibly more serious birth defects. This has been associated with Zofran when you've taken it during the first 3 months of your pregnancy. Now, you might be thinking, look, this is a tragedy in my life. We've dealt with it. My baby's had 4 or 5 surgeries, each one of them costing 6 figures or more, and it's all behind us now. But if your baby had a heart defect, probably not all behind you, because that's probably going to be a lifetime thing for your child. Maybe slower development, maybe smaller body stature, other things like that. But my point is, perhaps you owe it to other women under the same circumstances to make sure that they know what happened to them. You can do that by contacting me about this and letting the facts become known. This company, GlaxoSmithKline, that makes Zofran, should not be able to escape for what it did. Perhaps you don't know if you took Zofran or not, because sometimes women were just given this drug for morning sickness because their doctors didn't want them to be sick. It makes perfect sense. And sometimes women didn't even know what they were taking. You owe it to yourself to check that out. If you've had a baby born with a birth defect like I mentioned, you need to find out whether you took Zofran in the first trimester or not. It's very, very important. Maybe, as I said, you don't care. Maybe you just want to put it all behind you. But at the same time, wouldn't you like to have justice for your child, to make known what happened, to make this company pay for what they did to you? Perhaps your child would like to go to college someday without the burden of lifetime debt and student loans. Those are all factors for you to think about, folks. You think about them. I'd love to talk with you about it. Call me for a free appointment or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.